Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to do anonymous question on Instagram. Now if you want to do the anonymous question trend which is trending on Instagram but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to find about it. So let's begin with the video. Now if you want to receive anonymous question and you want to answer to the following question, then you need to simply watch this video till the very end. Now to do so you need to simply open App Store on a device, but before that make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or any type of mobile data. So after that open App Store and you need to click on the option of search and you need to simply search NGL app. Open this app and click on the option of install. So click on the option of get if you want to install it. So click on the option of install. While it is being downloaded, you need to simply go back to your Instagram. Before that let's wait for it to get down. So after it has been downloaded, you need to open it and you need to click on the option of get started. You need to simply enter your Instagram handle for here. So after that you need to click on the option of done. So if you get this option, and you'll need to simply copy your link. So copy the link and go back to your Instagram. So after doing that you need to click on the option of plus icon at the very center and you need to click on the option of story, and on story you'll simply need to click a photo. So after doing that you'll see the option of sticker like icon, so click on it and you'll see the option of question. So to add your NGL link you need to simply click story and you need to click on the sticker like icon, and you'll see the option of link which is at the right side of the sliding emoji. So click on it and now you need to paste the URL link which you have copied before. So this link will be pasted over here. So click on the option of send. So this is the NGL link. So you may click on the option or you may also simply click on it and click on the option which says ask me a question, so right here, or you may simply not keep this at all, or you may also click on the option. After doing that you need to click on the option of arrow like icon at the very right side and click on the option of share. People may open your story and click on the link and visit the link and send you an anonymous message. So your message will be sent right here. So that's it. That's how you can send anonymous message on Instagram. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.